Fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, the Indian government has cleared 2 more vaccines and 1 antiviral drug for emergency use. The 2 latest vaccines that have been given the green light are the Serum Institute of India's Corbevax and biological ease jab Corbevax. Now, apart from this, the anti-COVID pill molnupiravir has also been approved for restricted use in an emergency situation. Taking to Twitter, India's Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia said that the step has been taken to strengthen the country's fight against COVID-19, and the 3 approvals of the vaccine and the antiviral drug will boost India's fight against the pandemic. The Indian Health Minister further said that Corbevax, which is India's first homegrown RBD protein subunit vaccine, is now the 3rd vaccine to be developed in India. The other 2 vaccines that have been made in India are Bharat Biotech's Covaxin and Serum Institute of India's Covishield. Now, the announcement comes a day after an expert panel of the country's Central Drug Authority recommended granting emergency use authorization to Covovax and Corbevax, however, only with certain conditions. The committee also approved granting the restricted emergency use approval to the drug molnupiravir for the treatment of adult patients with COVID-19 and have high chances of progression of the disease. And with the latest approvals, a total of 8 COVID-19 vaccines have received emergency use authorization from India's drug regulator. Remember, earlier, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced India's booster campaign, in which COVID-19 booster shots will be administered to healthcare workers, frontline workers, and those above the age of 60 with comorbidities from the 10th of January. Apart from this, in a bid to expand its vaccination drive, those aged between 15 to 18 will also start receiving their COVID-19 vaccination from the 3rd of January. Meanwhile, with India's national capital New Delhi's positivity rate remaining above the 0.5% mark for the 2nd consecutive day, the government has now issued a yellow alert in the national capital. Now, under the yellow alert, activities that were resumed in phases during the 2nd wave of the pandemic will come to a grinding halt. As of now, India's capital, New Delhi, has reported a total tally of 14,000 cases of coronavirus with 25,000 deaths. Now, the city has been witnessing a gradual rise in daily number of infections amid a looming threat of the Omicron variant, which has triggered an alarm globally.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.